Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining search intent and picking seed topics. This shapes every query you run. You should list competitors and identify their highest traffic pages so you can reverse engineer keywords. Once done, open 2 keyword tools, one volume-focused and one SERP-focused, to cross-validate findings. Make sure to prioritize intent over raw volume so you target the right audience. Now run broad seed queries, export results, and prepare to filter noisy or irrelevant terms. Now expand each seed with modifiers and related queries to surface long-tail phrases. This increases relevancy and conversion potential. Once done, evaluate metrics, search volume, keyword difficulty, CPC, and weigh them against intent so you don't chase impossible ranking targets. Make sure to cluster keywords by topic and map clusters to existing or new pages to avoid cannibalization. Finally, examine SERP features and competitor content depth to know you finish by prioritizing keyword groups using a simple score. Traffic potential times intent match divided by estimated effort. This tells you what to tackle first. Then produce clear content briefs that specify target keywords, headings, example paragraphs, and calls to action so writers deliver focused pages. Once published, monitor rankings and user behavior for 4 to 12 weeks and iterate. If you don't see movement, check on-page intent alignment and backlinks. Fix those 2 first as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.